Hello and welcome to our channel where we help you with all things related to personal finance. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to make a budget that actually works for you. Making a budget can seem daunting, but it's a crucial step towards taking control of your finances. Here are some steps to help you create a budget that will work for you. Step 1. Determine your income. The first step in creating a budget is to determine your income. This includes all sources of income, such as your salary, freelance work, rental income, or any other sources of income that you may have. Step 2. Track your expenses. The second step is to track your expenses. You can use an app or a spreadsheet to keep track of your spending. This will help you to identify areas where you can cut back on spending. Step 3. Categorize your expenses. The third step is to categorize your expenses. This includes housing, transportation, food, utilities, entertainment, and any other expenses that you may have. Categorizing your expenses will help you to identify areas where you may be overspending. Step 4. Set goals. The fourth step is to set goals. Determine what you want to achieve with your budget, such as paying off debt, saving for a down payment on a house, or building an emergency fund. Step 5. Create your budget. The final step is to create your budget. Start by allocating your income to each category of expense. Be sure to prioritize your expenses based on your goals and needs. If you have any money left over, consider allocating it to savings or debt repayment. Remember, creating a budget is just the first step. You will need to stick to it to see results. Review your budget regularly to make sure you are staying on track. And don't be afraid to make adjustments along the way. A budget that works for you is one that you can stick to. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.